I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so the rest proceeds smoothly. Sign in to iCloud with the Apple ID on the target device and on your iPhone. Make sure location services, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth are enabled. Once done, open Settings and tap your name to confirm iCloud Find My is turned on. You want Share My Location active. This lets you see the device. Make sure the other phone's owner gives permission and that both devices are near each other for pairing. Now, open the Find My app on your iPhone and tap Devices if you'll track the device itself or people to share location. Tap Add or Share My Location, enter the other Apple ID or choose Invite, then send the request. On the other iPhone, accept the invitation and confirm Share My Location from that device. Once accepted, the devices appear under Devices or People. Make sure to toggle Notify when found and enable offline finding if prompted, so you have persistent tracking. Finish by confirming the other iPhone shows up in your Find My list and that its location updates. Turn on Send Last Location and offline finding to improve reliability. This helps even when battery is low. If you don't see a location, make sure both phones have an internet connection, iCloud is signed in correctly, and location services are on. As a key troubleshooting tip, sign out and back into iCloud on the problematic device and reboot both iPhones. Then retry the sharing process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.